Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is CID News Network Islamabad. The news read by Zainab. French President Emmanuel Macron has tested positive for COVID-19, the presidency said, adding that he would now self-isolate for the next week. Prime Minister has reiterated Pakistan's steadfast support to Afghanistan lead and open armed peace process for a political solution to the conflict in Afghanistan. Foreign ministers in Dubai to hold discussions with UAE's leadership on the all areas of mutual interest including the regional and global. The United Nations General Assembly has unanimously adopted Pakistan's sponsored resolution that reaffirms their rights to self-determination for the people who are subjected to the colonial, foreign and alien occupation. Addressing a ceremony in connection with Kamyab Jawan program in Peshawar, Prime Minister assured to fully back the youth in promotion of tourism and IT industries. Pakistan Cricket Board has announced 17-member squad for T20 series against New Zealand. Take care and keep watching CID News Network Islamabad. Allah Hafiz.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.